Florida, the Sunshine State. We are headed to the Escapees RV Park in, where is it, Kathy? I forget.
Bushnell.
Bushnell, Florida, that's right.
Called Sumpter Oaks.
Sumpter Oaks RV Park. We're only going to be there for a little while, but one of the things we're going to be doing is getting the RV weighed. And we will give you a good picture of that once we get it done, because it's an important part of driving a vehicle this big. You don't want to be overweight. It's really very, very dangerous. And they do a great job there because they don't just weigh each axle, they weigh each wheel so that you can determine how to distribute weight within the RV, not just if the RV is too heavy or not. So, looks like it's going to be a beautiful drive on a beautiful day, and we'll see you in Bushnell.
Driver side is 3,200, passenger side is 3,200.
Wow.
That's very, very good.
Wow.
That equals 6,400. You're good for 8,000, so no problem at all there.
Excellent.
Awesome.
The rear is 7,600 on the driver's side and 7,200 on the passenger side. But this driver's side is the kitchen side. That's typically a little heavier. But be aware of it. Try to move stuff over if you can.
Okay.
The second thing is tire inflation. Okay. I don't know about Kelly, but most major manufacturers, they have, you go to their website, they have tire load inflation tables. Okay, these are tables with a bunch of weights and pressures next to them.
Right.
What you do is you take the heaviest weight on an axle. In this case, it doesn't matter, it's 3,200 pounds. You look on the table, you look up this model and size, because there'll be different tables for different sizes. You look up 3,200, or the next highest one, that's the pressure to put into these tires, based on the actual weight. You can have different pressures on different axles, but always the same pressure on all the tires on one axle. What those charts say is that if this tire is carrying this weight, this pressure will have it flat on the ground. It won't be overinflated or underinflated. You want it flat. That's the best for wear, best for safety also.
Okay.
So if somebody was really significantly over, they could go do the work, come back.
I've had people come into the parkway coming in, and then on the way out they say, "We've done things around, let's go get weight again."
Yeah.
And they did improve it.
I understand
Yeah,
that.
good.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you can do once you know the situation. So that's it. Now you can stop because all I'm doing is taking your money.